Yamo kwa baby me Adom TV kase na utie no nka no nsiampa mu na abetie nanso Euro 2020 ntie de aba no numia utie bi oka ye ho Facebook/Adom TV ebe de se de bia wo ye no miento so ne enko ye nsem foforo emu Ejura demonstration ase ewi akire enipa mienu fa so hwe wo mo nkwana ete abedwoko miense bi so onye hwehwemu ene ena omu free ase Asante mantam so afọ kọ ho ye nua be Mayrastu sasare don konso kọ ho the woman nsem no ho no won de tudwa ewukumalik etwaso
ana day ana committee aye pawo yesa omo yanhwehwemu emfa etotutu ekoso ewodwra no omo hye omu dwumadi ase na ena ensem mienu anomo etenase ewo ho de edikan onumnyamfo samono semensa na edikan ebetenase de otoso emienu eye multimedia broadcast journalist Erastus Asarodonko.
Joy carries a lot of weight in terms of the news they put out there. My worry is why, if you people were not so certain about the fact that the man was a member of Fix the Country campaign group, why do you put that hashtag?
My Lord, there are various divisions of our work. I was on a field reporting, and normally we do not have monitoring screens to know what actually is going on the other end of the film. So with the chaos and everything, being on the field in such an environment, my Lord, it will not even occur to you to go and watch television and see what is being done out there. So I wouldn't see it. Okay. And so it will be on my blind side. Okay. But there are people who deal with the slides that roll on the TV, the captions, and then there are editors who deal with other things. Mine was to be on the field and be reporting.
Omonene etwetwen komon asamba ko a emu ebeye den kakra eye se bibi ekoso ewo TV so ade etwogu ase no ebeto dwa se yese kakao free mu na woka womomo eye Fix the Country campaigners no ho asemi ebeye wantwantwu kakra ye ne Erastus ni komon ne muza ne se emre ko ba ne saa no ede na wasua free mu
me hunu se omadwuma na omoye na omo ho so mbebusa ne omo ntiase na ombebusa nchechiremu edi achechiremu na ohwe nso so a eye kaka ne wo no ebeye wantwu kakra se oka Face the Country campaigners na ho ebi so onka ho enom ne ade Face the Country campaigners the release by I say omo nipa na ya ne sa anom ne ade na me so minim ekwan obi fa so ebeka Face the Country campaigners no ho me de minim say hashtag ene nam social media obi aye ho adwuma na wo hwe adwuma no a unim say ye ko field na ye wo field a wa wo gina kono a wo na wo ye report no na ye koso o TV ne so no ene ne ye de toto TV ne so no anya de a wo hu ana woni sutumi bia obi ene ye sa adwuma no nipa kro no ye sa adwuma no so wo de enti a wo de eniema bi etoto ho na ekomu no editors hwe ansa na ye de aba enti na omo person omo hu say medwen san wo ho but measurement me pass judgment wo ho because minim ne ekoso nipa kro de to ho no o ne idea bi ono so wo ne checks a waya no ntia ma o de sa no abeto nti meka say ne nyina mu no o mabuso omo questions mesuma ka na minim
onumnyamfo samono semensa ya Asante mantam so afọ enso ede ensem ebeto edwa na yentie ne nsem a wo kan no ebie.
You said you received information or intelligence about the actions of the youth. And what was the source of the intelligence? Was this official or from the community? And related to that?
The person called me on my phone and told me, and several people called me, but I cannot divulge information, the source of my information.
Nana awuku denchembo amane bonie aha eye prempe assembly.